town's pretty damaged from the hurricane. It's a cloudy day, but it's supposed to get nice a little bit later. The beach looks nice. There was still tons of damage from Hurricane Milton. Hurricane Milton made landfall along Florida's Gulf Coast at 8:30 p.m. on Wednesday, October 9th. We saw lots of damaged homes, businesses, restaurants, trees, and there was sand all over the streets. It was crazy. Pier. He says you can see dolphins. I don't see any dolphins. It's also pretty windy.
I just see brown.
Stormy. Let's go look on this side. Let's see what's in here. Oh, pelicans! Ooh. Cool. Hey, mister. Tampa Bay Watch Discovery Center. I don't think we're gonna go there, but probably good for kids and adults, I guess. The big marina over there. Airport, small planes. Lots of bikers.
Oh, what are you doing?
I'm vlogging. Look at these little palm trees, they're so cute. I love these. These are like my favorite ones.
What?
What are you thinking?
Nice.
What are you thinking about?
Shopping.
Yeah, where are you gonna shop?
Aritzia. Aloe.
What do you want to get?
I want to get a new sweatsuit and some jeans.
Well, you can find those things.
Yeah.
Ooh, what's up there? Tiki bar? I don't think we're gonna go eat there. Well, there's Tampa, right there. See it? Yeah. Yeah, that's Tampa.
That was a good race pick.
What are really dreamy?
This is all natural. That is
Sure this beach is open, Mom?
no, I'm not.
Oh, great.
Oh, the poor palm trees. We're gonna battle the wind here, at least for a few minutes. It is definitely windy here on Whitney Beach, but it's beautiful. The sand is so soft. What's up? Woo! I think so. I think we gotta go. Oh my gosh, it's so windy! Okay. Ah! You guys ready? Are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! You got a bunch of jellyfish? Madeline!
We're saving them.
For what?
We're putting them back in the ocean.
Oh, you're so brave. Oh, honey. I think it's time to leave the beach. My towel is completely covered in sand. Oh, darn it. We're gonna go hit the pool. Oh, it's Maddie! Yeah, Maddie! Woo! She caught it too, didn't she? Good job, Madeline! Let's go, Alex! Woo! Good job, Madeline. Woo! Cool. Maddie! Let's go, Maine! Yeah, nice, Madeline!
I was going like 100 miles an hour.
Just so you know.
Oh, that's why these seats were open.
Look at her go. Look how she holds the stick away from her. She holds the stick
That way she can get checked.
Yeah. You guys gotta do that.
Are you allowed to?
That's warding.
Yeah, that's
No,
warding
that's
at our
warding.
level.
That's warding.
Yeah, this is warding.
Like,
That's what
yeah,
Ivy
sure.
used to get called for all the time.
She used to go like
Because she would
this.
bring it down. And yeah, she would go like
flat.
this.
Watch out, watch out.
We're in the shower.
Yeah, this actually. Bob, she's got.
Oh, I'm actually terrified.
Look at she's swinging it like a baseball bat.
like a baseball.
Thank you for shooting low.
Oh my god, they still have the ball. They still have the ball.
Yeah, because it's a shot. If it's a shot, then they keep the
Well,
ball.
I know.
Because it was a shot. If it's a shot, you can get off. Oh! Ow!
Their arms must be like.
Ooh! Oh, again.
It's not actually.
Well, in like this situation, it kind of is. You know, it just doesn't.
Yeah.
Oh my god, imagine.
Yeah. Wow, that's cool. Wow, good morning, St. Augustine. This is beautiful. We are at Vilano Beach, just north of St. Augustine. So, looks really cool. We just dropped Madeline and Alex off at Flagler College, and they seem to like it so far. I mean, this is pretty amazing to have this at your backyard. It's so pretty. It's like they're doing some work over there. This is Flagler College. Beautiful. Used to be an old hotel. Ponce de Leon Hotel.
move out.
Wait, the freshman dorms are in
The
there?
freshman dorms are in there. So then once you're done with freshman year, that's usually when you move off campus anyways.
So that's perfect.
So it's perfect. And
Wow.
then it's like the actual like dorms themselves, like the downstairs is all like old and stuff.
Wow.
Like nice old, you know what I mean?
And so where's the dorm part?
It's the upper part.
Upper part. And are there classrooms in there?
I don't know. The dining hall's in there. And then
Oh, because it's the freshman dorm.
yeah.
And look, you got your Starbucks right here.
Yeah, and there's
Across
there's a poke bowl place.
Some pirate ship you see. There's the Bridge of Lions. Oh my god, this is totally where we were. We stayed here for like a week. But we were under the bridge. So we were over there. So we would bring the dinghy in under the bridge. And then there's like a town dock up there. And you could shower up there. Look at this. Maybe that's where we should bring it. I miss cruiser life. Soon.
What's that?
There's another beach over there, St. Augustine Beach.
St. Augustine Beach.
Yeah.
And then Vilano Beach.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Wow. We love this.
A must-do when you're in St. Augustine is go visit the fort, Castillo de Marcos. It was built by the Spanish in St. Augustine to defend Florida in the Atlantic trade route. Castillo de San Marcos National Monument preserves the oldest masonry fortification in the continental United States and interprets more than 450 years of cultural intersections. We didn't go into the fort this time, but I do have some photos from the last time we were there with our first catamaran sailing vessel Tiamo. I will add some pictures. Madeline loved the forts and she spent hours inside doing her homeschooling.
We'll just go down here and scoot through. So we'll go this way. Oh, she said this place was good too. Spanish bakery cafe, empanadas. The oldest wooden schoolhouse. So we just had the biggest scare. We thought we lost Bunny. Found her in the sheets. Thank God. Cheers, Bunny. Mwah.